Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Video Drone 4K is probably one of the most exciting advancements in consumer technology, offering unprecedented possibilities for capturing stunning aerial footage with its high-resolution 4K camera. This detailed review dives deep into its features, performance, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if this drone is the right fit for your filmmaking needs, whether you're a professional videographer or a passionate hobbyist looking to elevate your creative projects to new heights with breathtaking aerial perspectives. Number 5. Ruko U11S Drone. It's fully compliant with FAA regulations, so you can fly with confidence. If you have any questions about remote ID, our customer support team is here to help. This drone is perfect for your first flight. It's easy to use and packed with features to help you create lasting memories with family and friends. Capture stunning 4K UHD photos and videos with its 90 degrees adjustable camera. Share your precious moments directly from your phone. Enjoy stable flights indoors with optical flow positioning, and explore freely outdoors with GPS. It precisely locks height for perfect shots. Get up to 40 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. That's double the fun and practice time. The rechargeable transmitter is simple to use, with one-touch functions. No need to worry about replacing batteries. It's foldable and compact, making it the ideal travel buddy. Take it anywhere and capture all your adventures. What we like. It's completely compliant with FAA regulations, making it a safe and legal choice for all users. Its intuitive controls and user-friendly design make it perfect for beginners. Plus, its compact, foldable design makes it an ideal travel companion. If you are looking for a safe, easy-to-use drone that's perfect for travel, this is the one for you. What people say. Using the video record function, I was able to develop a 3D model of my property. I've had it for a couple of years and can say that it is tough, user-friendly, and very capable. This one can fight its way through a good gust, has a great range, and can find its way home if you lose sight. The camera is excellent, and the battery life is good. Number 4. Ruko F11 Mini Drone. It weighs under 249 g, so you don't need FAA registration. Its brushless motor provides stable flight, indoors or out, making it perfect for beginners. Capture breathtaking 4K photos and smooth 2.7K videos. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens and adjustable 90 degrees tilt ensure you get the perfect shot. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of flight time with 2 included batteries. That's plenty of time to capture all your amazing footage. It has intelligent GPS features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest. It also features a one-touch auto-return to home function. It's easy to fly, with one-touch takeoff and landing, and an emergency stop function. The included camera cover protects it from damage. For optimal performance, please use the Ruko charger only. Avoid using chargers designed for other devices or those with an output higher than 12V. It comes with a portable and durable carry bag for easy transport. Note that bag styles may vary. What we like. This lightweight drone doesn't require FAA registration, offering convenience and freedom. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 60 minutes with 2 batteries. Its simple controls make it perfect for beginners. If you need a long flight time and don't want to deal with FAA regulations, this is the drone for you. What people say. Using the video record function, I was able to develop a 3D model of my property. I've had it for a couple of years and can say that it is tough, user-friendly, and very capable. This one can fight its way through a good gust, has a great range, and can find its way home if you lose sight. The camera is excellent, and the battery life is good. Number 3. Holy Stone HS-175D Drone. Get ready to experience the thrill of flight with our latest drone. It's packed with features to make your aerial adventures unforgettable. Capture breathtaking moments in stunning 4K resolution. Its wide-angle lens and adjustable camera angle ensure you get the perfect shot every time. Never worry about losing it again. It automatically returns home if it loses signal, runs low on power, or goes out of range. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time on a single charge, thanks to its powerful batteries. That's plenty of time to capture all the action. It's designed for everyone, from beginners to experienced pilots. Features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing make flying a breeze. It will follow you automatically, fly along a path you set, or circle a point. It even takes photos and videos on command. Its foldable design and lightweight build make it easy to transport and store. It even comes with a convenient carrying case. What we like. Enjoy an impressive 46-minute flight time with 2 batteries, giving you ample time to capture stunning footage. Its 4K camera captures high-resolution images and videos. The portable design makes it perfect for travel. If you value long flight times and high-quality footage on the go, this is a great option. What people say. After reading reviews of a number of under $200 drones, we chose the HS-175D, and are very satisfied with our decision. Amazon delivered in less than a day, and the drone was flying, well controlled by a novice operator, within an hour. After a bit of practice, the drone took high-definition photos of the roof in question, and the photos were of exceptional quality and fully met our needs. The ease of flying, the picture quality and the stability of the drone are really impressive. The Wi-Fi connection was very stable. My only problem at the beginning was that my phone tried to switch back to my home Wi-Fi, but after a few tries it stayed connected. Ready to fly, I unlocked the rotors and pushed the launch button and it immediately lifted up and hovered very stable a few feet away from me. I was amazed how stable the hover was. Even though there were winds up to 6 miles per hour that day, it stayed within 2 feet of the start position. Amazing. Number 2. Holystone HS-720G Drone. Its built-in remote ID ensures safety and compliance, meeting all FAA requirements. Enjoy worry-free flights. Capture stunning, vivid footage with its 4K camera and 2-axis gimbal. Experience breathtaking bird's-eye views. Powerful brushless motors and a long battery life provide stable flight for up to 26 minutes. It's ready for your outdoor adventures. Headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold make it easy to fly, even for beginners. Flying has never been simpler. The GPS module and optical flow positioning enhance stability and anti-interference capabilities. Fly farther and more confidently. Follow me, tap fly, and point of interest modes offer intelligent flight options, freeing your hands for amazing shots. Emergency stop, smart return to home, and one-key return features help prevent loss and ensure safe operation. Its foldable design and lightweight build make it the ideal travel companion. Take it anywhere. What we like. This drone boasts a 2-axis gimbal and 4K EIS camera, delivering incredibly smooth and stable footage. It's also FAA compliant with built-in remote ID. Its user-friendly design makes it accessible to beginners. If you need professional quality video and peace of mind with FAA compliance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The standout feature is the drone's commendable stability even in windy conditions, something that's often missing in other models. Despite gusty winds, the HS-720G held its own impressively, showcasing its advanced stabilization technology. The responsiveness of this drone is another area that I'm sure will win over many enthusiasts. It practically obeys every command at a moment's notice, which is vital for precision flight, aerial photography, or even drone racing. Excellent battery life, lasts me between 21 to 23 minutes depending on flight conditions like wind and altitude. Like literally impossible to loose drone, has all the features found on higher-end drones such as return to home, automatic landing button as well as automatically returning if controller disconnects battery dies. The gimbal gives extremely stable footage compared to other drones. Stable flight with accurate GPS, even has optical flow for indoors where there isn't as much GPS strength. Number 1. Holystone HS-720R Drone. It's equipped with a powerful 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal for incredibly smooth, professional-looking footage. Capture stunning photos and videos with ease, even if you're a beginner. This drone boasts an impressive 10,000-foot transmission range. Fly further and capture more breathtaking scenery with confidence, thanks to its reliable connection. It features a cutting-edge GPS system for precise positioning and a smooth flight experience. It even has an automatic return-to-home function for added safety. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Beginner mode, auto hover, and optical flow positioning make learning to fly a breeze. With the Ophelia Fly app, you can unlock features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest, adding a new dimension to your aerial adventures. Our team is constantly improving the Ophelia Fly app to enhance your flying experience. We're here to support you every step of the way. What we like. Capture professional-level photos and videos with its 3-axis gimbal and high-quality 4K camera. Enjoy an extended range of up to 10,000 feet. This drone is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. If you're looking for the best image quality and an extended range, this is the top choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.